Good morning, students. Today I will tell you how to download TuxPaint from Google. I'm open the google.com. This is the window of Google. In the search box, you have to write down download TuxPaint. As you can see, it's there in the first point. Just click onto it. Now on the next page, this is the first link tuxpaint.org वाला download TuxPaint पे आप click करेंगे. Then the next screen, this yellow screen is there. Just scroll it down. If you are downloading on laptop, PC, tab, you will be choosing Windows 10 8.7 Vista option. But if you are downloading in mobile phone, for that you need to scroll down and choose this Android one. We don't have the option in the Play Store. कई लोग मोबाइल फोन में प्ले स्टोर में ढूंढते हैं, बट देर इज नो ऑप्शन इन द प्ले स्टोर. In the mobile phone, you need to follow the same process using Google. Fine. Right now, I'm going for the PC and laptop. I'm clicking on Windows 10 8.7 Vista option. Then scroll the page down and choose this option 64-bit. The link is there. When you place your pointer towards it, it's a hyperlink and the hand is there. You just have to click it. And you can see this next screen is there. Your download will start shortly, and at the bottom left corner you can see this setup is downloading from the website. Where it will go, I just tell you, it will be there in the downloads part. Every computer, every laptop has this downloads folder. Fine. You just need to click on this download and it will be downloaded. As you can see from the Chrome, it will take a little bit of time to download. While it is the setup is being downloaded, I just show you how to download the stamps also. Download TuxPaint stamps. Because when you open the TuxPaint, only the penguin stamp is there. If you need the different categories out there, you need to download it separately. अभी तक आपने TuxPaint डाउनलोड किया है, but it doesn't have stamps. For more extra stamps, you need to download them separately. For that, we need to click right in the Google again, download TuxPaint stamps. Then I will just click on this first option of stamp browser. Then again the screen is there, and I will click on this in note area, this download link. Now I will go to Windows 10 8.7 Vista option again, and on the right hand side you can see rubber stamps are there, and just click on this stamps link. It will also start downloading the stamps setup. Till this part, the setup is being there downloaded in the download folder. The TuxPaint is not installed till the time you run these setups. As you can see, it will take time to download it, as it all depends on the network speed of your Wi-Fi that is there at your home. Right now you can see 4 minutes are left for the TuxPaint, and for the stamps is a heavy one, it's a heavy setup. It will also take time to download. You just need to keep patience while downloading it. I just take in the download folder again and just refresh it with the F5 key of the keyboard. It's just 4 minutes left out there for the TuxPaint to be there in your setup to be there in your PC. After downloading your TuxPaint and TuxPaint stamps, as you can see both in the downloads, you can see both the setups are there. So I will be starting the setup. I will be running the setup now. I will be first running this TuxPaint installer, Windows installer. Just double click onto it. I'll click on yes. Now the screen is there. Choose your language. I'm choosing here English. click on this first button, click on I accept the agreement, click on next, again next, next, and yes. Click on next again and click on the install button. Now you can see this progress bar is there. This setup is installing the touchscreen software. Now click on the finish option. Just quit onto this window. Now after installing the touchscreen, I will be installing the touchscreen stamps. I just double click on the setup now. Click on yes button again. Choose the language again, English. Click on the very first button. Click on the I accept agreement. Click on next, next, next. These are the different categories out there that will be automatically installed in the touchscreen window. Click on the next button again. Now you can see the progress bar. These all categories are being installed now. It will take a little bit of time, not much. Downloading part was time taking, but after the setup has been installed, now the installing will not take much time of yours. Now you have to just click on finish button, and both the setups are there in downloads. Now how to open them? I will be going to the start button. I will be selecting the T1, the touchscreen T. As you can see, touchscreen folder is there. Now I will be choosing, I have these two options of full screen and windowed. So I am choosing right now touchscreen full screen. Now the setup has installed this software in my PC or laptop. Now to check out the stamp that I have installed it in touchscreen, I need to go to the stamp option and just see to it right now on the right hand side in the selected area there are different categories out there. This means these stamps are already installed in my touchscreen and I can use them as per my requirement. Thank you so much.